Yes, what's up? Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Tech Brutal FS. And in today's video, I'll be giving you a strategy, just a very simple strategy but very effective. All right, this can help you make up to $100 a day just trading spikes. Just trading spikes. You can use it to catch ticks too. That's to scalp, but the strategy is mainly for trading spikes. Okay, it works for all boom and crash. All right, it all now depends on your discipline and your equity. All right, but you can use a $10 account to trade it. All right, so what I have here is a Bollinger Band, and I have a 200. Okay, this is a 50 moving average. This one is a 50 moving average. All right, we'll be needing a 200 moving average. Okay, but first let me show you. Let's test the strategy. All right, once you have this set up, all right, what you're looking for, the time frame you'll be using is your 5-minute time frame. Once you confirm from your higher time frame that the market is either a buying, either a bullish or a bearish market, for boom we are looking for the bullish candles. All right, that's what we're looking out for in boom. All right, so once you confirm from here, now we've confirmed that this is what a selling market, so we'll be looking out for what spikes, opportunity to catch spikes. That's what we'll be looking out for. All right, so you see this Bollinger Band, once it touches or passes this 30 level, you start looking out for an entry. You see, once it passed there, you start looking out for, you don't enter, or when it is touching your 30, you don't enter there, you wait for it to pass. Look at, once it passed, imagine, see this spike here, we got this one. All right, you see this one too, you see we got this one too. All right, so once it passes the 30 level, now watch out for this other one too. Once it passes the 30 level, you start looking out for your spike. Look at here, all of this would have gotten all of this. Imagine this one too. This is you only use the middle Bollinger Band, only the middle Bollinger Band. If you use this too, see it, all of this. So that is how the strategy is. Your oversold level, that's where you look out for. Now look at this one too. Look at this. Then when it touches your sell level, as you can see from my chart, when it touched my sell level, imagine the kind of buying. Imagine all the way to this place. You don't, once it touches your buy level, your extreme sell and sell level, when you enter the market, allow it to buy. It will buy up to this point. You see it, that's where it stopped and it started selling again. So let's try it out on another asset. Let's check out Crash 1000. Let's see Crash 1000. All right, you see this setup now. I can use this to actually buy, do scalping, to scalp. You see it, once it's between the sell level and the extreme sell. Remember, I told you, once it touches the 30, allow it to cross. All right, allow it to cross the 30 level. Then once it's between the sell and extreme sell, you can scalp. You see it, you can scalp. All right, so but for crash market, we are looking out to sell in crash market. So we'll be looking at the overbought level, the bought and extreme buy level, the buy and the extreme buy level. All right, now look at this point. Once it reached the 70, don't enter the market. If you had entered here, you'd have just gotten this small spike here, which we don't want. So it's now here, around here, you see it, after the 70 level, we're now looking for what? Spikes. See spikes. See spikes. All right, the same thing here. It touched the 70 level, but it's not a clear confirmation for us, so we don't just enter the market like that. Please be disciplined. Okay, look at this one now. Look at this one. Imagine you enter the market here. Look at, just pick all these candles down to this point. I told you, once it touches this sell, look at, it must come down to this point too before you exit the market. You don't just exit the market. Now look at this one too. All right, so the same thing for your 500, crash 500. All right, the same thing for your crash 500. Look at it right here. See your sell. You can just pick some candles, but we are not doing that. Rather, we are looking out for a sell opportunity. Okay, look here. You see your selling opportunity right here. You see it sold down to this point. Once it touches the 80, it must touch either the 30 or the 20 level before you exit the market. All right, so with that being said, first of all, the rule is find the trend. You see the trend of the market here. It's a selling market, so we are now looking for opportunity to sell. All right, then please be patient with the market. Don't rush the market. All right, give it time. Give the market time. Remember, the time frame is the 15-minute time. All right, that's what we're using. So, and we are using the 50 moving average. Another thing we are going to look at is the setup for this market, the setup for these indicators. All right, so let's go right into it. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe so you get notified once we drop our video. All right, so this is our stock. All right, I only have 3 indicators here. The first one is stochastic oscillator, stoch 553, price field low/high. Method is simple. Your main is 1 pixel, your signal is 1 pixel. Now the colors will be the color of your background. Okay, then these are your levels, your key levels. All right, these are your key levels. Are we there? So this is it. Then you click done. Then Bollinger Band is just the same default Bollinger Band. This is a period of 20. That's a 20 moving average. That's the period 20 there. Okay, now apply to previous indicator data. So that's what you apply it to. Then this is the 50 moving average, and that's all. All right, this is a very profitable strategy. Please comment if you're making money or milking the market with this strategy. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.